DialogWorld is the leading BPO in Switzerland. Customer experience is the heart of our business. Our biggest challenge was to come from legacy systems and going to an open platform. AWS convinced us that it's more than just a platform. We expected innovation and they delivered. We migrated our entire contact center into Amazon Connect within just a couple of months. The benefits of Amazon Connect are clearly measurable. It just takes things that you usually have months or weeks to wait. It takes us few seconds to put them live and to be out with a new service for our customer. Our agents love to work with Amazon Connect because they have every information on one screen and they can really focus on the customer demand. AI doesn't replace the human. It helps our employees to be stronger, to be faster. And we want to use it to simplify the life of our agent and also to simplify the life of our customer, to add additional automated services where it's helpful for them and to give the freedom back to our agent